This could be the car for you. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, heated front seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.